afternoon, student. Today we will read about the phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda is very interesting phylum, children, because this is the largest phylum of animal kingdom, and all the animals are possess jointed appendages. Means arthros. Arthros means jointed, and poda means appendages. That's why the name has, hence it is called as arthropoda. Body is divided into three parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Okay, you can see it in all the insects. All insects belong to arthropoda, so that's why it's a very big phylum, largest phylum. Okay, so you can see on your screen also how the body appendages means their legs. Okay, so body appendages, cockroach uses it for running, for ballostoma for swimming. Okay, like mantis is a one grasshopper, you know, small is grasshopper but big one is known as the mantis. Okay, like grasshopper is used as for jumping, or mantis for holding prey, and digging, forticula use it for digging, and honey bee use it for pollen collection. Clear? So this is the basic characteristic and basic functions of body appendages. Next thing, their body is coelomic, as I told you, but hemocoel is present. Okay, hemocoel is when heme means blood, and if pseudocoel contain blood, it's known as the hemocoel. So that's why arthropods are known as the hemocoelomates. Clear? Sclerotized exoskeleton is present. You can observe it. If you hold any insect, you can feel that the outer covering of insects are very hard. So it is made up of sclerotized exoskeleton. Okay, next point is that you can only observe that the body organization is organ level of body organization. Next point is bilateral symmetrical, means one half is just a mirror image of the rest of the half. Okay, digestive system is complete. You can understand it by this that mouth parts, different insects use differently their mouth parts. Means mosquito uses for sucking and piercing, beetle is used, beetle insect which you can observe in night time, bug like structure, bug like organism it is. So beetle use mouth part as for chewing, thrisp rasping, butterflies is used for siphoning type, and housefly is having the sponging and sucking type of mouth parts. Clear? In many cases endocrine glands are also present. Okay, these endocrine glands are very important in case of especially cockroaches. Corpora cardiaca, corpora elata, these type of endocrine systems are present in case of insects. Okay, so the first animal to have endoskeleton and voluntarily muscles. Just keep this thing in your mind. Only arthropodas are having the voluntary muscles. Before whatever phylum we have taught in this, we have observed that no voluntary muscles are present. Okay, now next point about them, their respiratory structure. Okay, their respiratory structure, different type of respiratory structures are present in different insects. Like in case of insects and spider, trachea, they show the process of respiration through trachea. In scorpions, this question has came in one competitive exam also. In scorpions, which type of respiratory system is present? Book lungs. In case of prawn and crabs, gills are present. In case of king crab, book gills are present. Okay, it's about the respiratory system. Excretory system in case of arthropod, excretory system, this is also very important. Green glands or antennary glands are also present in case of crustaceans. You can see here one group of arthropoda. Okay, one group of arthropoda. Second is of Malpighian tubules, that is very important. Malpighian tubules are present in cockroaches. Coxal gland is also important, present in scorpion and spider. Scorpions and spiders show excretory process through coxal glands. Okay, so nervous system, which type of nervous system is present in arthropodas? So central nervous system and peripheral and autonomic nervous system is present in case of arthropod. That's why they show voluntary movement. Okay, now reproduction, very important about them. In reproduction, they show the both, they are both type of animals, means oviparous and ovoviparous. clear. They show the development of young ones through directly or indirectly. Or one more thing about honeybees show the process of parthenogenesis, very important. If you observe, you can you can search that in a beehive only one queen is there. So one queen, the function of one queen is only production of eggs. Okay, drones are there, workers are there. So by this only you can understand that different modes of reproduction is also present in case of insects, in case of arthropods. So I hope phylum Arthropoda is clear. If you have any doubt about it, you can send me your question. Thank you children, and please send your question in group. Individually it's very difficult to give answer. Okay, thank you children.